This is a nice and gentle movement routine that you can do sitting at your desk or sitting at a chair at home. We're going to wake up and invigorate the entire body using your breath, gentle movements, and empowering affirmations that are designed to help you get in touch with this idea that your cells have space and that your body feels light and energized. Let's go. Begin by just placing your hands gently right on your thighs. Let's take a nice big deep breath in and exhale. Sitting up nice and tall, let the shoulders drop down. Another big deep breath in and exhale. And then go ahead and begin by just stretching the chest forward, pull the shoulders back a little bit, lifting the chin up on the inhale. And then as you exhale, pull the spine back, shoulders roll forward, chin drops down. Nice big stretch. Again, inhale, chest comes forward, shoulders come back, chin lifts up. Exhale, spine rounds forward, shoulders come forward, chin drops down. Let's do that again. Just keep breathing here. Inhale and exhale. We're going to do this movement a few more times, and we're going to go ahead and add on an affirmation. And with the affirmation, you're invited just to repeat it right after me. You can say it out loud, you can whisper it to yourself, or you can simply just think it. Your choice. We start by saying, my cells have space. Your turn. Again, my cells have space. Let's do that again. My cells have space. One more time. My cells have space. Very nice. Now we're going to go ahead and just begin to circle the spine all the way around. So real big circles, taking up as much space as you possibly can here. And just keep breathing a whole bunch. Keeping the sits bones connected to the chair. And let's reverse the circles in the other direction. So just find a nice gentle flow here. And I want you to just feel that your circulation throughout your body, your blood, the oxygen in your body, it just flows nice and easy. And reverse circle. All the way around, big circles. And reverse. Now we're going to do one moving in each direction, and we're going to add that affirmation. So we say, my circulation flows. Your turn. Again, my circulation flows. And again. Let's do that one more time. My circulation flows. Good. And let's do the movement one last time, just thinking the affirmation to yourself. Nice and easy. That's it. Very good. From here, let your hands just drop right by your side. Inhale the arms all the way up. You can even touch the palms together at the top of the head, and exhale, bring the arms back down. And again, inhale, reach the arms all the way up, pressing the palms together, and exhale down. You can always just leave the palms a little bit shoulder width apart. Inhale all the way up, bring them even right here, and exhale down. Let's take that a few more times a little bit faster. So we have inhale up, exhale down. Good, inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up. We're gonna add an affirmation, and we just say, my body feels light. Your turn. Again, my body feels light. Your turn. Again, my body feels light. Go ahead. And let's do one more. My body feels light. Good. Bring the hands right back down. Now you're going to go ahead and roll the shoulders back a few times. Nice, big, juicy rolls, releasing any tension in the neck or the shoulders. That's it. And then let's go ahead and reverse the shoulders, rolling all the way forward. Keep breathing. And let's take it back for 2. And forward for 2. Now 1 in each direction as we add the affirmation. We just say, everywhere I go, And your turn. Everywhere you go. And again, everywhere I go. And your turn. Everywhere I go. Good. We're going to just put all those movements together a few times, and you can repeat the affirmations as we go. So starting with that first move. My cells have space. My circulation flows. My body feels light. Everywhere I go. Let's do that again. My cells have space. My circulation flows. My body feels light. Everywhere I go. Can we do that one more time? Here we go. My cells have space. My circulation flows. Big circle. Reverse that circle. My body feels light. Circle the shoulders. Everywhere I go. Very nice. Take a moment just to breathe right here. Place the hands back on the thighs. You can even close your eyes for just a moment. Taking a nice big deep breath in. And exhale, just feeling the energy center. Just tuning into your breath for a moment. Inhale again. Exhale. You can open up your eyes. Great job. Nice and easy.